What's up guys, and welcome back everybody. My name is Ali, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how can you assign your own shortcuts in Premiere Pro 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so if you're in Premiere Pro, this is the first thing you want to do is go into edit, and then you want to select keyboard shortcuts, and that's going to take you to keyboard shortcuts. Or you can also click on hold Control Alt and K and your keyboard to open up the keyboard shortcuts. Guys, this is the default settings of keyboard shortcuts, and I'm gonna walk you through each and every one of them. So keyboard layout preset, this is default to select in Adobe Premiere Pro default, and you can also select, say if you're having like Adobe Premiere Pro CS6, you can bring up the same keyboard shortcuts that you used to use in Premiere Pro CS6 or Final Cut. Say if you used to use Final Cut Pro, you can bring up your keyboard shortcuts from there, which is very handy and very easy to do. So today's video, what we're gonna do is custom shortcuts. So you click on custom and command. This is by default to select in the application. That's going to show you the application, and you want to select application. Say that I don't like to have A to select the track selection. So what I want to do is, for example, I want to assign A to select the selection tool, for example. So you can either do it like in two ways. First way is just clicking the mouse on next to the V, and you can cancel that, or you and click right here and say I want to have A to be my selection tool, right? And that's gonna override. It says the shortcut A is already in use by another application command. The command will no longer have a shortcut, so that's just gonna replace the shortcuts to make A to have a selection tool. If you click on A, it's gonna have selection tool for you. If you hold on Control, you can assign another key. So hold Control and A, for example. You can assign another key. For example, if I hold Control and A, I'm gonna assign rolling edit tool. You can either by dragging it and drop it here, or you can just, so that's gonna be rolling edit tool. If you hold Control and A, that's gonna select the rolling edit tool. Or you can do it another way. For example, right here, cancel that, and then Control in your keyboard, Control and Control and A in your keyboard. That's gonna assign for you the Control and A. And once done, if you don't like that, you can just clear it out or undo changes, undo, and that's gonna back to the default settings. All right guys, so this was an easy and short video. This is how you edit and create your own shortcuts in Premiere Pro 2020. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So peace out.